How to fix Fivem Rockstar sign in error. So first of all, you can go ahead and make sure you're not using any VPNs, since this can cause this layer error sometimes. And other than that, for some reason, you can go ahead and try syncing your date. So go ahead to your device settings and go to the time and language, and you can go to the time over here, so date and time. You can go ahead and toggle this on, which is to set time zone automatically. Make sure this is toggled on, this one as well. And finally, you can go ahead and choose this sync now option. Just go ahead and press on that. So for some reason, if this isn't synced properly, it could cause a little error in some cases, so just go ahead and make sure you've done that. And finally, you can go ahead and try relinking your Rockstar account. So go ahead to your top right corner over here in your Rockstar, and then go ahead into accounts as well. And in your accounts, go ahead into the settings, then go ahead to your linked accounts, and then you'll be able to see the link accounts over here. You're gonna go ahead and try relinking these over here. You can go ahead and also try logging out and logging in. This has fixed some users that basically just had the same error, so you can always go ahead and try those first. But these are a few options you could try to potentially fix your little error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.